So hi buddies, hope you all are great. So in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can download and install VS Code in your Windows system. So you see this, you have to search VS Code. Now you see this download for Windows. It's very easy. Wait. Now see this, it's done. Click here. Accept. All done. Install. Now you see this, the install is successfully done. Now from here we can run this VS Code. Now for extensions, you can download the extensions also, whatever you needed, Java, C or C++, whatever it is. So hopefully this video is helpful for you. If this is, then just give it a like and please subscribe my channel. That's it. Thank you.